Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Fidelity tax forms for 1099 and dividends step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Fidelity account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Accounts section located in the main menu. Select the account from which you need to configure the tax forms. Look for the Documents or Tax Forms option within the account menu. Click on that option to view all available tax documents. You will see a list, including forms like the 1099 and dividend statements. Locate the specific tax form you wish to configure. If necessary, select the year for which you need the tax form. Choose the Settings or Preferences button to modify your tax form options. In the Settings menu, look for options related to tax reporting preferences. Make sure your personal information is up to date to ensure accurate reporting. Review the selections for how you want to receive your tax documents. You may choose to receive them electronically or via mail. If you prefer electronic delivery, confirm your email address is correctly entered. Adjust any other settings related to dividend reinvestment or reporting preferences. Once all configurations are complete, click the Save or Submit button. Review your settings one last time to ensure everything is correct. Return to the Documents section to confirm that your changes were applied. You may need to log out and back in to see the updates reflected in your account. If you encounter issues, consult Fidelity's customer support resources for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.